it squirted.
It's leaking! It's leaking! It's leaking!
Are you okay?
Oh, that was so nasty. Oh my god.
I think we broke Scott.
Well, talking about popping things.
Wow! What a segue! That's top five. That's one of the top five segues.
He did the thing though.
Yeah.
He did. That's a top five segue. I think. Thank you.
So I'm just gonna let you know, I'm not a fan of what you're about to show me. I don't want to see it, and if we throw up, you're gonna have to pixelate this shit out.
You just don't throw up on your equipment down there.
No, I'm gonna throw up.
Okay, I legit. I don't know what's gonna happen in this video, but I got about 20 seconds in, and I said, nope, and I turned it off and said, waiting for this for later because I don't want to watch the rest of this.
So since this is coming from TLC, is this as bad as what she used to post on YouTube?
Okay, wait.
No.
You got control,
And
Peter.
then also don't pause it, or I won't pause it on a pimple. Oh god.
The cyst that makes noise and a reverse blowjob.
I'm not happy.
I'm gonna
right
turn
now.
the volume up a little bit.
Okay.
You okay?
No.
I just want to get
Is that her neck? I thought it was her.
That's right.
It's her back.
That's what we're gonna
Or
do.
maybe their
Get it
neck.
over and done with. It looks like Belinda has a lipoma here.
Hold on.
I just hope that it's not connected to deeper structures underneath. I hope it's not holding on to her, and that I can just pop this out nice and easy.
It holds on to you?
Just gonna kind of
No, what is
loosen it up with my finger.
You're not bothering me. You're fine.
Good.
Oh no. Oh. Oh no, that's not
To
real.
come out.
No, it's very real.
Oh, that's not real.
It's very real.
This is a lipoma jack. When you get the lipoma out of one piece, it's
Oh yeah,
this is why I love
it was oddly
to
satisfying.
call this thing here.
I'll let you hold your baby after it in a little bit.
Yeah, okay. It's been boring.
It's been bored.
And that almost made it worth it.
Even though
okay,
I
never mind.
think
We'll go
it's
through it.
a
We'll go
lipoma,
power through
might
it.
be a cyst. So I'm gonna block myself.
Oh, it squirted.
It's leaking. It's leaking.
You never know when you cut into a bump what is exactly.
Are you okay?
Oh, that was so nasty. Oh my god.
I think we broke Scott.
Oh my
I think
goodness.
we broke Scott.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, that was the worst.
Are you okay? Do you mean filling for you?
Ooh, bro, for real, it's making me queasy too. Oh my god, that's so nasty.
Are you gonna be okay?
No.
Should we rewind it?
No.
No. Go ahead and hit play. Let's see what else is on
Okay.
here.
Get
Wait
here.
for
We're
him to
not
sit
doing this
down.
without you.
Oh no, that is.
All right, you guys ready?
That looked like it was like it would feel like you would feel so much relief.
No. Literally.
Think about how much relief.
No, you. You. Literally, the vomit was in the back. It came up, like to the top of my
It
throat.
looked like coconut milk.
Oh my god, that's so nasty. All right, ready? Come on.
Alright, hit play.
Macho. Can be a man. All right.
What is it?
Just think it's fake.
This is a cyst, and it's about to blow.
You watch.
It looks like cottage cheese.
Like oatmeal.
Oh, it's like rice pudding.
She said it looks like oatmeal.
Oh, it does. Oh my
Need
goodness.
some brown sugar or something. I don't know.
You talk about brown
Some
sugar?
cinnamon. The reason that I thought it was a lipoma was because I could not imagine.
I don't know why there's something oddly satisfying about that
On
shit.
his shoulder. I thought for sure if that was a cyst, he would have popped it by then. All right.
Oh, it's coming out like that?
Oh, sorry, that was you. Excuse you.
Oh no.
It's called a cyst poot.
A cyst poop?
A cyst poot is sometimes when you remove contents from the skin and the skin is a little bit floppy, it can make noises. And so, yes, sometimes you get cyst poots.
This is like a really weird route that you fucking took us down. It's fucking disgusting.
I didn't know what I was. I told you I only watched the first 10 seconds of it.
No.
I never want to do this again.
Like she's
This is
doing
the most viewed video they had, so.
She's doing the Lord's work.
Bro, we're like halfway. We're halfway.
Please tell me we wouldn't have to go all the way through this.
Why not?
You know how many people watch this shit to go to sleep?
What?
No,
People watch this shit
somebody
to go to
we
sleep?
know is a psychopath and watches this type of shit to go to sleep.
Oh, hit play then.
I'm working on Melissa's lipoma, and with my first incision, it actually made me happy. It's like it pushes its way out. You
This
just
bitch is
make one
crazy.
little cut with your scalpel blade, and it's
Oh,
like
look
this
how much
cyst
pressure.
coming out at you. I just gotta.
Oh no. Oh, I hate the noises.
Yeah.
What's that?
They add those in post.
When you're numbed
Those-
locally, we are
with-
stopping
with
the
Foley artists?
pain fibers from firing and going to your brain and telling you that you're
So this
experiencing
okay,
pain.
nothing's shooting out, nothing's bad yet.
It's not sharp.
No, yeah. Once you see the other one, this one's not. Oh, it's a baby.
She got a baby coming out of her neck. God dang.
Oh no! Oh, that's bad. That's bad.
So,
Oh,
that's
no.
bad.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my
That's like chicken
God.
breast, actually.
I can't believe that was in her neck.
Oh my god.
It looks like
Oh my
crying.
god.
Oh shit, bro. That's gotta be over 10 pounds.
So now it's just like the last little tendrils, and if I don't try to get it all, I'm afraid it'll come back, and we don't want to do this again, right?
Yeah, we don't. I don't ever want to do this.
Okay.
I think this is probably the one and only.
That poor woman.
Oh,
got
Like,
it,
it looked like she literally pulled Krang from Ninja Turtles out of her neck.
Oh,
God
man.
damn.
It looks good.
You think she's gonna want to put that in her ass? You know, like one of those Brazilian butt lifts?
Head behind your head.
I need a pillow right here.
If
No.
Dr. Lee's
Girls
able
have to
to
go through this
remove
shit
my
again.
boob, I will be able to go to the beach more and not have to scold my friends when they won't look me in the eyes because my boob is hanging out.
Hi.
Hello, Dr.
How are you?
My goodness, you're so pretty. It's
This
so
is so.
Nice to meet you too.
I've been joking that I've come for my
He's a
boob
pickup
job.
artist.
Oh, you okay? You do, I don't
Okay.
do boob jobs, so let's see what's going
It's a
on here.
reverse boob job.
Well, where is this area? Oh, I see.
A C.
Oh, that's straight up a titty. That's a titty right there, man. You got a side titty.
That
little-
lipomas
a hip
look
tit.
like boobs, but this one looks like a boob.
Oh, that one's gonna
I mean,
explode.
it feels like a lipoma. It's very mobile. It moves around well, but I mean, I never really know until I go in and remove it. I have to be really careful when I'm doing this surgery on John. So I'm just gonna put some numbing here. It's gonna be a little tight. There's not that far of a distance to get to his internal organ. You cut too deep and you could hit his intestine, you could hit his kidney, you could hit anything under there.
I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared too, dude.
Make sure I'm never hurting you, okay?
No. Oh, bro. Oh, no.
Awesome.
Bro. Oh, no.
We got a lipoma here for sure.
I'm glad I can't see it.
I'm just gonna try to get rid of some of the fibrous connections. It's like stuck to you here.
Dude, are these like tumors or something?
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
no.
release it a little bit with my fingers, moving it around, see if I can't squeeze it out even. You're doing awesome. You can see there's little connections and fibrous bands, so I'm just trying to break them up here. Your boob is out.
Yay!
It is out.
If you find my car keys in there, let me know.
If you find my car keys in there, let me know.
Oh, my lord.
Oh man, that was quite a bit.
That was.
Scott, how you
Super intense.
feeling? That beginning wasn't too hot for you. Do you want to watch another one?
No. I think that might be the one and only. Like this, look, check this out.
Oh.
The only way I would ever do this again is if we get like a whole bunch of views on this. It's the only
Please
way.
no. Please.
Please watch the video.
Please don't.
Yeah, watch it as little out of all the videos. Watch this one as little as possible.
So
Don't share it with your friends. Don't do none of that.
there's people who are in like. She's doing good things for people,
I follow her on Instagram.
but
Oh no,
she has to have like the strongest stomach.
It didn't phase her one bit.
Not
you think that
in-
stinks coming out?
Oh,
It has
100%.
to. It's from the inside
100%.
of your body. It has to.
My dad's had a couple of cysts taken out of his back.
Like that?
But they're like, yeah, they're like little golf balls in like your back and like that. It's
How
just
do you
like
get that?
it's just a growth. Like it just happens sometimes.
No. He put one on one time at his house to like get me to leave. It was literally she popped something and like pus shot across the screen. I was like, all right, I'm out.
Is that your last Pimple Popper video?
Well,
unless
guys,
that shit gets views.
Definitely the last Pimple Popper video.
Unless it gets views.
No, please.
it's got to get. How many views does it have to get for us to do this again?
2,000.
2,000.
That's not reachable.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this video to 2,000 views. I'm about to promote the out of it.
I'll do you one. If it gets to 1,500, I'll do another one.
You saw that live on camera.
That was wild. Yeah.
On that note, my stomach hurts. I'm ready to go home.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy J-Mac over here behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you didn't like it, you can give it a dislike too. That's totally fine with me as well. Go ahead and share the video too to your friends if you feel so inclined, and go ahead and subscribe. I mean, you don't have to, but you might cry a little bit if you don't, but it's okay. We post regular videos throughout the week, and we post podcasts every single Friday. You can also check us out on Spotify or Apple Podcasts if audio versions are more your thing. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on social media. We're at the Amp Theory on everything. Until next time, though, I'm J-Mac. For Scott and Peter, stay classy.